Namaste, Jeevan. I, Jeevan Shobha Kumari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Department of Agriculture Science. Today, I deliver a lecture on this topic, fertilizer storage and fertilizer control order. What is fertilizer storage? In this technique, how to store fertilizer in a safe. Correct storage of fertilizer is important to ensure safety and security. Where possible, fertilizer should be stored in a closed, secure storage place to protect the product from the weather and reduce the risk of theft. Ideal storage condition: enclose the building capable of protecting the product from the weather, especially direct sunlight. Clean environment free from dust and dirt. Temperature between 5 and 30 degrees Celsius. Some fertilizer types are sensitive to high temperature. These are the ideal condition. And next, protect the fertilizer from the moisture which can cause lumps and dust, influencing the spreading and capabilities. Equipped with the pellet racking to avoid the need for double stacking. Good stock management example carried out in a first out of basis. These are the ideal storage condition. Enclose the building capable protect the product from the weather, especially direct sunlight. For a proper fertilizer storage, different methods are used. First one, indoor storage. Indoor, the store should be preferably by single store constructed of not readily combustible material. Just example, concrete, brick, steel. Our building should have adequate provision for the ventilation to help dissipate heat and discharge fumes in a fire or decomposition. The floor should have level, dry, even surface, free from the potholes. Limit the height of fertilizer stacks. High stacks of bagged fertilizer can be unstable and may collapse. Limit the size of stacks of fertilizer bag in accordance with the national regulation. Store at least 1 meter away from the building. Use and beams. In the cases of baggage fertilizers, also from the walls. If you have stack on a pallet, they have to place on a firm drained surface. If you place on the pallets on the top of each other, make sure you have a firm base. Do not store in a bulk material which are incompatible near each other. Example: urea near ammonium nitrate based fertilizer, keep them well separately. Never mix fertilizer without dividing the stock in a tray. Keep lime and fertilizer well separated. In indoor storage, on a flat surface, you can increase 2-3 sacks in a height. In outdoor storage, store on a raised level, well-drained, dry, smooth surface areas are preferred for the outdoor storage condition. Use a pallet when beneath the bags to prevent the direct contact with the ground and the water. That is in the case of heavy rain. Only use pallet with the undamaged pallet caps. They must also be free from the splinters and nails. Stacks should not lean if they do not rebuild them immediately. In order to preserve product quality, place a layer of empty pellet on the top of the stacks prior to sheeting to prevent product deterioration due to the heat effect. When a pellet racking is not available, certain combination of pellet may be double stacked. Stacks should be seated to prevent the bags from getting dirty. The sheet should be secured to the bottom layer of the stack to prevent damage, which may be caused by the rubbing and friction. Quality of control fertilizer. Quality control fertilizers, in which the first objective is carried out. First objective is superior standard and altered fertilizer entering into the market to ensure quantity of the nutrient and quality of carrier present in the fertilizer. To ensure quantity of nutrient and quality of carrier present in the fertilizer. To eliminate the black marketers of the market. The total nitrogen P2O5 K2O must be guaranteed in terms of percentage of each of these nutrients in a given fertilizer. These are the objectives. Quality control fertilizer method. In a fertilizer control order FCO regulation, all the fertilizer manufacturers should obtain license from the Commissioner of the Agriculture State Government concerned for the manufacture of fertilizer and mixed fertilizer. The fertilizer dealers should on renewable basis register their dealership with the Assistant Director of the Agriculture ADA, regular of the division concerned in a state. The term of conditions of manufacture, distribution, and sales imposed by the government should be followed. Duties of inspection officer and dealers are specified. Fertilizer specification and kind of package are state. Methods of drawing and fertilizer samples for analyzing fertilizer testing laboratories is state. Powers are vested with the FCO enforcing official to book the case against the fraudulent manufacturer and distributor and dealers of fertilizer. These are the regulation points in considering the FCO, fertilizer control order. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, any query regarding this session, please write in comment box. Namaste.